Patrick at Patrick Schwier, the Schwier Real Estate Group here at Casta Del Sol. It's a 55 and over community. Some awesome homes here. This is a
Joanne. Now this gal right here, she's in her mid-50s.
okay. Get your lawn bowling. Pretty competitive. So this is just checked out a property over in Granados.
And they've got a pavilion over there. We'll come by that after.
Okay.
And then if you turn this way, this is the clubhouse for Rec 2.
Okay.
It's a smaller clubhouse, but people get together there for at various card games. There's a choral group that sometimes rehearses in there. And then there's the Rec 2 pool.
Okay.
Is right over there, so we'll go
Okay.
this way. And we've got really nice restrooms for the pool facility.
Okay.
There's a hot tub there as well.
There's no dining on site, but there's no actual restaurant.
Restaurant? No, but there's a restaurant at the golf course.
Okay, and that's like right outside the gate, right?
Right
Okay.
outside. Yeah, so that's the heritage room. And then this is the pool here, and there's
Okay.
a hot tub. This is the smaller of the two pools, but
Other than the main gate has a bigger pool.
yeah,
Yes, we saw that.
Rec 1 is the larger facility.
Okay.
And then you've got tennis courts over here. Yeah, these are the tennis courts and the pickleball courts.
Okay. What is pickleball?
And then we'll go
It's nice to have a little
down
private
this
tour.
way past, and then you can see across there is the pavilion for which is used by all of the facilities
Okay.
for like outdoor things. You can have big parties there and such. And then the paddle tennis courts are right here
Okay.
to the left.
Pretty cool little facility, actually. Dressed in their whites.
And then you can see the flags back behind the paddle tennis courts for the chipping for the golf.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Little miniature area for chipping. Don't want to hit it too far.
We get a better look at it if you just overhead.
It's awesome. A little sand area.
And they have a really active golf club.
Okay.
You can see they have the thing where if they want to practice their drive, they can drive
Okay.
into that. And they'll often have little chipping and putting contests out here. They'll set up
Yeah.
all kinds of stuff.
In case you get a little mini driving range there. Okay. Okay.
And then we'll go into the Heritage Gardens here.
Okay.
And this is these are people who are just like to garden.
Okay.
It's all done by residents just to enjoy
Oh, awesome.
their gardening.
Oh, that's pretty.
Let's see, we'll go in through the,
Okay.
and then you've got the back side of the tennis courts here.
Okay.
And a lot of times they'll have events in here where they have people who are into art and different things. They'll have set up some little champagne stops and whatnot.
Okay. This is awesome.
So each of these gardens have been put together by various people. This is like an African garden here.
Okay.
And then there's a desert garden.
Oh, how awesome is this?
And over here is a butterfly garden.
And were there a lot of butterflies recently? So they had a big migration, right?
Yeah, they plant, all the things that they plant are things that butterflies are looking for, so. And all of these gardens are, as I said, they're just people who like to garden just
Yeah.
come and do it.
Sage garden.
And then we'll go in here.
Nice little patio table.
And as I said, the path that surrounds all of what we've just looked at is a half-mile path
Okay.
that people walk on all the time for exercise and these gardens here are really lovely if you just want to come out and read a book or something.
Right.
And have a calm environment. There's a man here that has done this whole section in here. He's put in a little Zen garden here.
Yeah, how cool is that?
Right here. That, and he's put like benches around to look at it, and he was out here with a brush this morning just making sure that it was all smooth and beautiful.
That's awesome. Yeah, they did a really good job.
Oh, I know, it's
Pretty,
incredible.
very peaceful.
It is. And he's done this whole big session here, and you can, it's just a lovely place to come. But this garden goes all the way around to the golf area.
Okay.
And so it's kind of all this area around us. And it's all places where people just like to go and sit and
Just
think
relax.
or whatever.
It's really nice.
And anybody who likes to garden is welcome to join in.
Okay.
So
And your address again was
27635 Via Granados,
okay, and it's priced at how much?
698.
And it's a gorgeous remodeled property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and approximately
Just under 15.
1,500, which feels like a lot bigger than the 1,700 model I just saw.
Well, it lives bigger, but that's just because of the way that we decided to
You did an
knock
awesome
down
job in there.
walls, and
Okay.
we took it all down to the studs.
Awesome. Okay.
So
7 minutes.